to be the only child. Him get everything. At 2 shoes him have wear go to school. So good girl him mash up one him a get a mix one. What you say?
You're alright.
What you say?
Hey y'all, this is your girl Annie Ames back with a live with Shay. Mr. Guys, one E Papa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe.
For Rosealee, for come tell people, but when you check my bank book, I mean a war, this, that, and I pick them bad, that she talk about. She not say nothing wrong with Pat, because there's nothing wrong with Pat.
All you talk about who followers, you talk about my son and my daughter. Me and you cause you talk about Pitney. Rosealee, you lose. Because every time you and somebody have something, you go for them kids. You can't come about my Pitney them. My Pitney them are nice Pitney them. Them don't hungry, them don't want nothing. My son have a brand new PS blood clad 5. What you mean by? My son have him own a room. Him first me have. I always come and talk my story on TikTok. The first time I breed with my son, I have him. And him get big. You saw me, when my son find out, say, I breed again with sure. My son said to me, say, write one letter and say, Mommy, I think I was going to be the only child. What don't share anything, have my own room, have everything. And I said to him, say, no, don't say that. My mother make him understand, say, no, me a big woman, you can't tell me what to do. You understand? I'm tell him, I take sure talk to him, my mother tell him, him two grandmother tell him, say no matter what, when your mother have a next daughter, you don't know what for the daughter now go share. You go get everything equal. What the blood clot, you mean so good, Rosealee? Eh? My son wanted to be the only child. Him get everything. At 2 shoes him have wear go to school, so good girl, him mash up one, him a get a mix one. What you say?
You're alright.
What you say?
You expect the pit them no. You expect them to say no.
Anything them want them get. My daughter a 4-year-old and she famous at school. Everybody want to be around Sure. Sure is 4 and she famous. Cause her mother make sure say she have everything she need. You know them pitney when you got them school a be a pitney surround them. Hi Zanaya mommy, hi Zanaya mommy, hi Zanaya mommy, hi Zanaya mommy. Every day so good Rosealee. Every day. When I say go and look at PTA meeting if you pitney them. We never see none of it on TikTok. Never see you go on PTA meeting with a teacher yet. Come on reason. Teacher know me. The school pitney them know me. What you say? What you say? We never ever see you get up and go on blood clot parents teacher meeting yet. For your kids them. Teacher know me good. My daughter skip grade. For sure you all should be right now blood clot. Everything you take up big stinking Jake and go. That's all him do. That go big stinking mama man. All him do I go to school. Him alone want to you. You can't move. Get up and go to the school when the teacher them know you. At least the teacher them know me, but them know my mother more. And him 2 grandmother them come. My son there Jamaica. Yeah. And you sit down for your big stinking bucket. More rice, GX. More rice. Program, side program, up program, down program, blood clot. Government tired out every time Monday morning. Government says she again. Government says she again. I'm tired of it. I'm tired. It bono move on the part program, hungry belly, blood clad, pity them. Go.
I know you're alone on TikTok not like Shay. You're not supposed to like Shay because she's that girl. Remember she look good?
Wanna be a black government blood clad. Wanna be a black government bird
she's not the ugly one.
Wait no. Wanna be a black government bird or no. Every time when I come part program, she again. You can't make money at the Pampard program. You cannot make millions of dollars on TikTok and your kids is on Pad program. Move your blood clot that me say. She again.
Yeah.
Here, chat back to Jaden.
So who care?
So who care if you want to talk to Jaden? Here, yeah.
Yeah.
So wait now, so what wrong with Pat? Lisa come suck me. Lisa, you big and shape bad no blood clad. Come suck me so good girl, that me say. Big stinking pussy Lisa, me say. You Rosealee, a hungry belly blood clad Pat program. Pin them Andrew tired of uno. Pussy wall, go look walk. And that me blood clad say. You can't take it back out of my mouth. Me say, you are your hungry belly blood clad part program. Pity them. Go look bumbo clad work. Andrew tell Andrew soon on Monday morning. Him say, she again. She again.
And the dog you ever
and that me blood clad say.
The dog you always a go back behind Shay. Because your mongrel now back behind you.
And that
because
me
nobody
say.
now pick up phone, you know. Remember nobody not like you, know. Remember Jake's and go fuck you but him not like you. Remember Jake's a fuck pan you. Look how Jake's ugly. And him have to fuck pan you because you're sick in blood clot stomach. Remember when him belly hurt him and you say what do you? And him say you sick my blood clot stomach. Remember Rosealee? You can't chat to me. Me always a go back behind Shay.
Listen, I don't care who in the comment section want to upset. You want me to say it again? I'm going to repeat again. On you cannot make money on TikTok on opinion them the pan pod program. The people in the comment section are hungry and feel offended because I say pod program. On one hungry belly pod program, blood clad, pity them on for go away. When Andrew soon him say she again, go look blood clad walk. Go suck kuno mama come out and me comment section that me say. Me know the world never upset because me realize 95% of Jamaicans only making money but all on do a buy cock, buy man, buy everything no want the latest ear, the nails them, everything we are wearing no want inner. But when you pin the pan parts program that me blood clad say. Come beat me. Come beat me now. Come beat me, that me say. Come beat me. The one on the upset in the comment section, but what is wrong with Pod? Kiss my teeth. Girl, why you... And that me say you can't make money on the picnic me pan Pod program.
No, but the thing is, they attack, but them nah listen. Them hungry ear Pod program, and that me not like with Unu. That's why me not like dance. She say, you can't make money on TikTok. Unu hear that part there? And that is the operative part. The part with the whole subject and the whole sentence unu cut out. And that me not like with blood clot. That's why me not like dance. She said something before. Only thing on a blood clot hear a part program. But you know, hear the first part of the sentence now. Uno can't make money on TikTok. That is the most important part. Underline the subject.
Go sit my Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola your heart. Anything else? Anything else?
Them just the pan, what happened to part? Them not hear the first part, you know?
Allow them.
All them the pan, what happened to part, and they miss the whole front part.
A bun on the
One not go use and understand the word part program. If you not read the first part, acknowledge the first part now.
And anything me say that baby Lord Claude say 2025. Last year Andrew tied down and this year the man make it worse. Every minute Pata keep miss. Sir Pata keep every blood clot there. Pata keep.
Now the woman said nothing wrong with part. The woman never said nothing wrong with part. She said you cannot, she attack for those who are making money. Those who come on the app and talk about, check my bank book, millions in there. And then picking the pan part and then people that she talk about people. At school we go. All if you don't go to school, you must understand.
Say, me never say the people them. Me say, me know part program for the people them. Like, when I really have it, you know, certain women have only for baby father. Only for kids that not have no baby father. You know, only for woman out there single mother. So I say, if them go on part program, it's no problem. But I never say that. I said, Only can make money pan TikTok on the picnic pan pad program. That me say.
And that she mean and she stand by it.
I'ma stand by it, that me say.
Can I make me every day on the come? We alright, you know. First she said this and that. She only telling me say me I go to school next month and this that.
She don't know my business.
I am not a person who come and show off. For no long me get my something.
Yeah, listen now. Yeah.
I don't want to say the woman have no papers.
No, but
how me I go to school?
Wait now. The people them are always over my life. Me not talk about the people them are just come over here for mix up like the 1,000 now, you know? Because me used to 400 people. Me not used to 1,000. The 400 that you know what me I talk to right now, are always there for my life. Me ever come go on story time and so. You never see me come and bring my business pan TikTok like me come brag pan nothing and tell you say, me have this, me get this. Yesterday I come and tell you say, Queenie I go to school next month. So what that show you say? If me come over here come say to you say, guys, Queenie I go to school next month, what that mean? What that mean if me come tell you say Queenie I start school next month? Me never one day come over here come. That show you say, me never have to come tell you say, guys, Queenie get her paper. Me never have to do that. Me not own nothing, so me never have to do that too. No, me can't just come and tell you say, guys, Queenie I go to school next month. Me never one day come brag upon nobody and tell nobody say, me have this, me have that, me this, that. All you talk about is foreign and documents. That's not even nobody business. You come and talk about all this. Me not want nobody on TikTok, not no Rosealee. Me is not the type of girl where I come tell everybody say, me get this, me get that. No, bro. Me enjoy my blessing them in private. If I buy a car now, you can't see it unless you see me driving it. That's so much stay, dog.
Look how long.
And every month we're good. What we say, congratulations is congratulations. No. It's not every month we say, yeah, me you're good. Me know that, Rosealee. Me a smart blood clot girl.
Look how long.
Smart.
I just show me soon start. She just tell her people.
Me enjoy my blessing in peace. Me no need for come so come tell nobody say this. Me buy one house. Me buy one car. Me buy this. No, bro. No.
Thank you, Strawberry. Thank you. You have to have paper. You have to have paper.
Watch them. Watch them underscore backup say for you black men.
One me, mama see. Hold on.
Watch them. Shay, me get black from your life.
No, mama look.
Watch your
yourself.
That children did have black people like black
yourself.